So I bought this property with the sole intent of renting it out. It was never meant to be a flip. But I have great financing on it, and that's when you're buying a flip, we say you make the money going in the front door because the purchase price determines your profit. When you're buying a rental property, of course the purchase price is important, but what's more important is the cash flow. And what determines cash flow are the terms. So I'm not going to put as much money into a rental as I am to a flip. So this carpeting downstairs is actually the original carpeting that was in the house. They just did an industrial cleaning on it. If we go into the kitchen, this is the original kitchen floor. The countertops are laminate. The stove I replaced, but I'll be honest with you, it's a ding. So it's not a brand new stove. It may have some use on it. You go to a place, you can buy stuff with dings on it, or models that are no longer available. And that's a basic refrigerator. So this is a basic kitchen, but it's nice and bright and clean. I have aluminum siding on the house, which they just power washed. The deck, as you can see with the deck, they replaced a few of the planks, but otherwise it's the original deck, except for the railing, which is new. That garage, they didn't really do much. They cleaned up inside. So, but the upstairs, which we went to before, has new carpeting. That's almost all new because that was just one open space, and I wanted to turn this into a 3-bedroom home. So I saved some money on the rehab to stay within budget, so that I can rent it out and still recoup my expenses within a reasonable amount of time. So again, when you're buying property for a flip, you make your money on the buy because every dime is important. When you're buying on the purpose of renting it, it's not, purchase price is important, but the most important thing is the cash flow. That's determined by your terms, which we discussed earlier. This private money on this, I'm paying the guy $500 a month because he wants to retire. It helps him. It reduces the mortgage quickly, and I still have a positive cash flow. And even if I pay him off after 5 years, the loan amount will be more than half of what it started with because I'm paying so much principal up front.